Hey guys, welcome back to another video in the Roblox Studio scripting series. And today we're going to be learning about two very important things, variables and functions. So first, words that we need to know: variable, local, global, define, function, call, string, table, list, integer, and number. Hopefully I just listed all of those that we need. Now let's make a variable. So, to define a variable, if we want to make a local variable, we just type in local variable name equals then the variable value. And this semicolon here is optional. I just like to practice putting it there because when I code in Java, you're like required to put it after almost every line of code. So yeah, this is optional. So yeah, we just defined a local variable. Now if we want to make this a public variable or global variable, we just have to remove the local. It's as simple as that. We'll just put the local back. So we just made a string variable. So I'm gonna make this string underscore variable. Then we can do a local. We'll do local int underscore variable. And what an integer is, it's like just a whole number. Like 829 is acceptable, 12 is acceptable, but 7.4 is not acceptable. It has to be a full number. Now we can do local number variable equals, and we can do any number, even with a decimal. So yeah, those are the three main types of variables. Lists and tables are a bit more complex. We'll be doing that later in the series. So now we can just do print. We can do string variable dot int variable dot number variable. I believe it should like put spaces, if I'm correct. So it does not put spaces. So we'll do here put just a space there, dot, just like this. And now it should, yeah, it separates them with a space. Yeah, so these are the variables. Now let's move on to functions. So functions are variables that contain code. So to define a function, we could do function, my function, and then this is where the arguments go. So we can do args1, and now right there, that's a function. There's another way to define a function. So we can do local function name. Let's do another function, and no, equals function, and then args1, and that is how we, oh my god. So, sorry about that. My Google Home was just going crazy. Actually, I set an alarm to do some stuff. Yeah, these are two different functions, and what we can do is we can do local text equals hello world, and then in this my function thing, we can do print args1. And, well, args1 is currently not defined, but when we call the function, it will be defined. And then for the another function, we can do print text colon, and we can put a space there, dot args1. And that is all done. And now we can do my function. We'll do my function text, and then do another function text. And now if we run our program, also scripts autosave in Roblox Studio. As you can see, it works. So yeah, that's how to make functions and variables. See you in the next video.